got a little bit of a secret for today's video. Why am I whispering? I don't know, but it adds to the mystery. This is a tea cart, and these are a bunch of parts from the tea cart. Let me show you what a tea cart is supposed to look like. So I'm going to take parts from the good tea cart and fix the bad tea cart. Why would I do that? Well, this is a family heirloom. Now the family that owns this, they have no clue that I have it. A friend of theirs gave it to me so I can restore it, so then we can give it back to them as a big surprise. Now the family that owns this, well, they've got lots of traditions. One of the traditions is that every year the grandmother buys the family members a new teacup, and they drink tea and eat sweets as they look forward to the new Christmas season. Now this Christmas season, I think it's gonna be a little bit better as they have a fully restored tea cart to celebrate with. The first thing that I do when beginning a project like this is to take everything apart that I can, fix any broken joints, sand everything down completely, give it a nice stain, and then we'll put a few coats of finish on it. Should take me about 10 minutes of camera time. Well, sanding this sure wasn't fun. It took about 6 hours, dozens of these little pieces of sandpaper folded. I took 150 grit sandpaper, bended it, and was able to get most of the stuff out in the legs. All these grooves, these intricate details took a really long time. Fortunately, I'm going to be using a darker stain, so it's not important that you strip this down to the bare wood. It is important that you get off at least most, if not all, of the finish. That way, when you put the stain on, it'll soak in and blend really nicely. Let's do that now. All right, today's the day that we're going to reveal the cart to the family. They, of course, have no idea why we're inviting them. So this ought to be really cool. Let's go. All right. I thought you guys might want something.
Meeting or something?
Not sure if you guys want this or not. Interested if it was fixed.
Yeah.
Table.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is
Really good.
beautiful.
Incredible.
The desktop was there still, right?
Yeah, the glass was.
I love that little table. Oh my gosh.
Cool?
This
Everything's
is a
the same.
labor of love from my father-in-law. This is so much in his memory. But I always loved this little cart. I always loved it.
Cool.
It reminds me of my father-in-law. It really does. This is such a reality show, Pete.